Do you remember this DVD of my new revolutionary quick release camera mount device? Has this ever happened to you? Oh dear, my memory card is full up. I'll have to change it. Now, if I can just get this, see my memory card is at the bottom of my camera. I'll have to try to get my fingers in here to get the, hang on, get my implement out. Okay, so I have to take off this base. Introducing my new quick release camera mount device. Introducing my new quick release camera mount device Mark II. You will notice that it has been upgraded to use the latest materials sourced from around the world. This Mark II version is made of high-grade marine aluminium and works in exactly the same way. I put my camera there. I can place the mount on the camera tripod, and very quickly I can mount my camera. When I want to take it out and get at my memory card, it is very, very simple. Again, these are not available in the shops.